Hi there, this is Chris, and I am wanting to go ahead and show you the mobile responsiveness of this. It still has a little styling to do to make it look good, but as you can tell, it opens up. This uses CSS Grid, and it also implement at first in mobile. It uses the images right on the page. In CSS Grid, it uses a background image. If that's a problem, we can try to go with the image um, in the you know in the in the desktop version. But as you can see, as a background image, it really does cover the space really good. Um, And of course, like I said, I know for a fact I've got to format this right here better and get that looking better. But as far as the functionality and the responsiveness, it works. It just I may you know um, I may have to do some we may have to do some more work on this just to get it right for the page, but take a look at it, see what you think, and let me know. Thank you. All right, bye.